Today we're unboxing and reviewing the upcoming phone Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a groundbreaking foldable smartphone that promises to redefine the mobile experience. Let's start the video without wasting any time. Before starting the video, let's take a closer look. Design slim, sophisticated and super durable. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold easily fits in your pocket, and its elegant design features smooth matte glass and a sleek metal finish, solid build quality and sleek finishes. If we see the phone thickness, well, in the folded position it's just 10.5 mm thick, and if we unfold it, the phone becomes really slim. It's just 5.1 mm thickness. The cover screen comes with actual display and display refresh rate with a 60 to 120 Hz. Selfie camera comes with 10 megapixel. The internal display comes with 8 inches screen Super ActuaFlex display, LTPO. And if we talk about resolution, is 2076 into 2152, LTPO OLED panel. Refresh rate 1 to 120 Hz and 2700 nits peak brightness. And same selfie camera with 10 megapixel. It comes with IPX8 rating, which is highly water resistant and it's really good. Weight is 257 grams. The right side, volume button, and above power button with fingerprint sensor. And in the upper side, secondary mic, and speaker grill supports stereo speakers. The bottom side's microphones, USB-C port, speaker grill and SIM tray. And the back side, another microphone. Google Tensor G4, the latest powerful processor. Storage, 16 RAM, 256 ROM. Battery, 4650 mAh, wired and wireless charging support. Now let's talk about camera. Advanced triple rear camera system, 48 megapixel wide, 10.5 megapixel ultra wide with macro focus, 10.8 megapixel 5x telephoto lens and super res. Zoom up to 20x. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Your small kindness makes me encourage.